Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I just want to share something that I got in the mail that was extremely generous. This is a little package from the neighbors up north in Canada. So in this package I have two Brous Blade Silent Soldier neck knives. Super cool, blast from the past. All right, two different blade styles here. Awesome, awesome knives. I've very much carried and used and loved. And a jar that is in Chinese, all right? But this is I believe it's a chili paste. Look at that, it's got some peanuts on the bottom and all kinds of spices and chilies and stuff. Super cool. Well, let's go ahead and read this letter because it kind of explains it all. All right, so this is from Bradley, all right, Bradley in Canada. It says, enclosed are two Brous Blade neck knives. Both were bought new from Brous and have only been carried and used a few times. Not sure why they fell to the bottom of the EDC pile, but they did. Excited to see new content come from these blades and use in your EDC. These were the bee's knees back when they came out. So then it says secret sauce. I've also included some Chinese chili oil. Your hot sauce videos were awesome, and this is something you might not easily find in your area, and it is a great addition, like hot sauce, to a variety of foods and recipes. And that says, Jeff, Cutlery Lover, thank you for many years of YouTube content you've curated for our viewing pleasure. Apologies for the delay in shipping this out. Thank you again for all your videos. Enjoy the tools and chili oil, from Bradley. Thank you so much, Bradley. That was really kind of above and beyond. He reached out on Instagram and just said, hey, I have these knives sitting around. I haven't used them in a long time. Do you want them? I said, well, that's, it's a little too generous. If you're really doing nothing with them and you're not going to sell them or anything, yeah, sure, I'll carry them again because I love these guys. So these are going right back into my EDC rotation, both styles. I love both blade styles. I know I have videos on these back in the day. I still love Jason's work. Jason actually has another company. He still makes knives very much. So if you haven't seen Brous Blades, check it out, B-R-O-U-S. But I also I follow him on Instagram, and I forget the company name, but he does custom gun stuff, like custom Glocks and I think maybe full custom guns as well. But pretty interesting stuff. I've always liked Jason's work. I've liked his actual designs, but he's just a really, really nice guy. Really nice guy. So had the pleasure of meeting him at a Blade show, and then I think SHOT Show as well. But yeah, super awesome guy. Really, really nice stuff. I don't hear Brous Blades being talked about as much lately, but it should be. It definitely should be. He's got some really cool designs. But yeah, and then also this chili paste is really neat. I haven't seen anything like this at all. I live in the woods in northeastern Pennsylvania by the Pocono Mountains, and we don't have a lot of good variety of food stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty lame white people stuff around here. I'd love to see more ethnic restaurants in my area. I'd love to see a variety of different foods. I'd love to go to like a real Chinese market, things like that. I just don't have that in my area, so this is really, really neat. It sounds awesome. I can't wait to try this out. If you guys have used this before, let me know your best suggestion. I think the first thing I'll try is just some chicken. Just grill up some chicken breast or something, cut it up, put a little of this on top, see how it works out. But yeah, if you guys are used to cooking with stuff like this, let me know your suggestions on what I should use it for. But it sounds really, really good. As far as hot sauce in general, people have been asking lately for more hot sauce videos. I do plan on doing that. I'd love to make some more hot sauce videos with Vinny, as well as maybe some other people. Who knows? But it's just it's one of those things where the extreme hot sauce stuff and the extreme heat challenges, YouTube looks down upon that. It's mostly because kids watch those videos and then they eat the chilies and they go to the hospital and the ER and the parents get upset and they write angry emails to YouTube. Who knows? But that's it's a thing. Unfortunately, as time goes on, there's just more and more and more restrictions as to what kind of videos you're really allowed to make here. I mean, some people get away with it. They do whatever they want. But I try to play by the rules. I always have. It's really hurt me in a lot of different ways, but it's just what it is, So I follow the rules. YouTube is not a place that owes me anything. You know what I mean? I put a lot of effort into my channel, and I have for many, many years, but I'm still grateful that it's still free. It's free to make videos. It's free if you guys watch the videos, so it's all good in that sense. But I do hate to see all the restrictions as time goes on, because so much stuff I want to do. There's so much extra content that I miss making, and hopefully that changes in the future. We'll see. But regular hot sauce, as long as it's not crazy extreme hot sauce, I could definitely get into doing those videos again in the future. I still very much enjoy hot sauce. I've been trying different kinds over the years. So we'll see. I'll hopefully get those videos out down the road. But that is it for now. Thank you again, Bradley. That was extremely generous of you. Extremely nice. He even apologizes that it came late. I mean, he sent a message, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago. And people send messages occasionally like, hey, I'm going to send you this, or I'm going to send you that. And sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. You know, I always appreciate the thought. Sometimes things happen. Sometimes people change their mind. That's fine. So I didn't really know what to expect. But please do not apologize for being delayed on sending me some awesome knives for free. I mean, come on. That was extremely nice of you, and I really do appreciate it. So these are going right back into the EDC. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.